Just lost power. Raining like crazy. Lightning like crazy. Oh yeah. Is that cool or what? And man, is the wind blowing straight right here at the windows. That's rare. One hell of a storm in the desert. It's always cool. Of course, it'll be gone as soon as just almost as fast as, whoa. Almost as fast as it gets here, it'll go away. That's a lot of lightning. Wonder how long we'll be without power. Of course, we got to go back and look at the back side of the house. That's where wait till you see how much water's coming off the roof. You can already hear it. Almost lost the cat out the window. Nice. And there's the power back on. For at least 10 minutes. And off it goes. Funny, rarely in a storm do we lose power. Usually it's when it's bright and clear. So with a lightning storm this well. Anyway, thought everybody'd like to know.